Oh my god, it's a marketing disaster. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I got it.
We here at Blizzard recognize that our marketing approach for our game was not the best, and we want to make it up to you, which is why I'm very excited to announce that we will be making Diablo 4. And it'll be available for everybody on iOS and Android devices. Whoa. I know what you're thinking. Yes, there will be microtransactions. What? Okay, hold on, calm down. Okay, was that really necessary, sir? Hold on, guys, come on. Wait, I'm just a messenger. Don't hate the messenger. Come on, please, guys, please. It's not my idea. It's my idea. Please, buy our game. Please, give me an applause, please. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at me. I'm an audience member. I don't care about the person presenting. Yeah, big guy out there in the fourth row. I just want to go home. What? You don't have a phone?
So how'd it go?